What's up everybody, this is KG. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a dining chair that I bought from the Bay. It is from a company called CDI Furniture. So you may notice over the next little while I do a couple of different review videos having to do with furniture and things of that nature. It's because I just bought myself a condo recently and I'm buying new furniture for the place, and I figured why not also give some reviews as I go. So this is the first item that I've ordered for my place, which is the dining chairs. So let's get started with the review. So this is the box that it came in. They come in 2 per box, and I've bought 6 chairs in total, but I'm probably only going to put 1 together for you. I'm just zooming here on the label on top of the box, just so you get an idea of what the chair is going to look like. And now I'm just going to open up the box. So looking closely into the box, you can see there's 2 seats here, and then these wrapped up metal frames inside, so I'll take them out now. So I've decided to remove only 1 base and 1 seat, just to show you a demo of how to put it together. So this is the metal frame. If you look at this bottom corner, there's a little red piece over here. This actually has the parts inside of it, so you can take this out first. So when you open this up, it comes with a little package here. So if you look here, these are the instructions of how to put the chair together. There's really the 2 parts, the base and the top. And it comes with 4 screws and an Allen key type thing here. And you can see it is here in the bag. So let's put this thing together. So first thing, I'll take this cloth wrapping off the metal. Okay. Take this off. So you can see the metal base right here. I'm not sure if it's clear in here, but there's actually a little bit of an angle. So this actually slopes downwards in this direction slightly. And the back of the chair should sit on the lower area. So let's just take the plastic cover off the seat section. So here's your seat. So you got your seat and your metal base. So like I said, it's sloping downwards here. The back portion here should align with the lower section of the metal base. So when you're finished, it will sit like this way. So now I'm just going to align the chair base with the seat. It would actually be easier if I flip it this way. So I'm going to flip this chair around like this. And my downward sloping section is aligned with the back. So just so that you can see, here are my 4 screws here and my Allen key. So this is what I'm going to use to put the chair together. So what I'm going to do now is align this as best as I can and just put the 4 screws in before I tighten them. Just put them in and get them started. I got 1 here. Here, down here, and the 4th one over here. And try to align them as nicely as I can and tighten them. Using my Allen key to tighten them up a bit. Slowly tighten all 4 sides snugly as best you can, keeping it aligned as best as you can. Okay, now it's in tight, so we'll turn it over. So here's a view from a little further back. You can see the finished chair. It looks pretty good, looks fairly sturdy. I can sit down in it. Cushion is nice and firm. It's a nice comfortable seat. I really like it actually. The foam material in it is a firmer type foam, so it doesn't feel too soft and it doesn't feel too hard. So if you can see when I push on it, it gives you a good firmness, right? The metal base looks really good. It's like a brass type of metal base on there. Right, so you got metal base. The material on top is a microfiber. It looks almost like a suede leather type finish, but it's actually a soft feeling material on top. This is the microfiber. And on the back, it has like a quilted design. So if you're looking at it from this side, you bring it a little closer, you'll see a quilted looking design on it, which is a nice little design. And from the front, I'm going to bring it a little closer just so that you can get a good look at the way the material looks. So it looks almost like a suede looking material. And the legs, right? You can see the legs, the metal base. And you can look at the bottom portion. It does have a little soft plastic section at the bottom, so it does not wreck your floors. So if you're dragging it, it's gonna keep your floor from getting damaged. And it's a pretty sturdy chair, it's a nice chair. So this is my unboxing and review of the Cassidy chair from CDI Furniture. Once again, I bought it from the Bay. They normally sell for a pair of these, like our box that comes in two, it sells for like $1,000, which is really expensive. I was lucky enough to get it on a sale price. They had it marked down like 55% off, plus the day I went in, they gave me an extra 10% off. So it came down to about $225 per chair. So it came to about $450 for the box. So still expensive. It was out of my planned budget for my chair, but it is a very good quality chair, and I think for me it'll be worth the additional cost that I went over my budget on. Would I recommend this chair? So far so good. Definitely I would say yes. It is a comfortable chair, it's very cozy. And as I use this chair more, I'll probably add some comments below if there's any changes or any other thoughts that I'd like to add on this particular chair. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Leave any comments for me below in the comment section. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. And we'll see you guys again next time. Take care. Peace out.